What's up, YouTube audience? So today I'm back on the vlog channel. Just deciding to record because I think today is a pretty special day. So first, just to recap, or if you're new here, I'm Josh. I just finished my freshman year at University of South Carolina, and sometimes I make daily vlogs. And so today I am recording because my dad and I are flying to Cleveland to pick something up. I think this is pretty special because I've never been to Cleveland, and this is something my dad has been working towards for a very long time. And so I decided to bring you guys along, and also so I can document it and just look at it in future, just in the future. So that's it for now, and I'll see you guys later. So we made it to the airport. We boarded in like 5 minutes. We're flying to Baltimore now, and then we're flying to Cleveland. Should be good. I'm gonna do a little time lapse of the plane, so we'll see you in Baltimore. We made it to Baltimore. So we made it to the Baltimore Airport, but when we were on the plane to come to Baltimore from Charlotte, our plane had technical difficulties. The left engine wouldn't start. So we docked, they had to fix it, they fixed the problem, blah, blah, blah. And then we arrived at Baltimore too late, and we missed our connecting flight. So now instead of arriving in Cleveland around 12-ish, we're in the airport for 6 hours, and now we have to get another flight from Baltimore to Cleveland that arrives at 5:30, and instead of coming home tonight, we are coming home tomorrow. So basically everything has changed, and we're gonna be in the airport for a while. That sounds, it's the way life goes, I guess. We out here been stuck in the airport here in Baltimore, so I finished the word search. Got me. We only got like hour and a half. We've been here for like 5 hours. It's a struggle. Best $4 ever spent. Wow, that was really close. Finally made it to Cleveland. Nothing. I'm recording. We've been out of the house for like, when did we leave this morning? 6:30. It's been 12 hours. And we have an hour and a half drive to our hotel. It's a rough day. Alright, we finally made it to the hotel. We're in a small town called Mansfield, Ohio. It basically, if you make a triangle from Columbus, Akron, and Cleveland, we're dead smack in the middle. So we're here for the night. This was not the original plan. The original plan was to fly from Charlotte to Baltimore, Baltimore to Cleveland, get the thing we're getting tomorrow, and come back home. You may be able to guess what it is based on the description of what we were supposed to do. So we're just gonna relax tonight. I'm probably gonna stop recording for the night, and then tomorrow we're going to do what we're doing, and then we think we're going to the NFL Hall of Fame. So that should be really cool. And that's it for tonight. I think I'm just gonna pick this video or this vlog back up in the morning, and then just make one long vlog of what's going on. So yeah, that's it. Good morning, everybody. We're back in the same spot as we ended yesterday's vlog. However, it's the next day. The day that we should be heading home finally. It's been a long trip. It's crappy outside weather-wise, but we should be leaving our hotel in, there's my watch, in like 10 minutes, 15 minutes. So yeah, I will update you guys when we get to where we're going. Alright, so this is the car that we got, a Nissan 370Z. I'll show you the inside. Real nice leather interior. That awesome Z right there you guys saw. Obviously convertible. That's the back. And yeah, that's what our trip to Cleveland was for. Here we are on the road again. My dad bought a 2015 Nissan 350Z convertible.
Start over.
370Z, sorry, 370Z. That's why there's the steering wheel as a Z. Pretty classy. We're headed to the NASCAR Hall of Fame. It's pouring rain right now.
Start over.
Sorry, not the NASCAR Hall of Fame. We're headed to the NFL Hall of Fame. And yeah, we should be there in like 45 minutes, and hopefully the rain stops. Mama, we made it. Okay. The Cleveland Browns dominate. Yeah, you'll never see those words again. This hometown hero, Luke Kuechly. And then here's Cam Newton. Is this Cam Newton's football, Dad?
Yes.
There's Cam Newton's football. Pretty cool. Got the glasses of the man, the NFL rushing. He's my favorite player. Yeah. Mama, catch me in the NFL. This is all the records. Red's good. There's Super Bowl officiating, and then Tom Brady's many records. Al Patterson, I didn't think he would be here.
Set a record.
Yep, never be broken.
Nope.
That's really cool.
It can only be tied like it.
It's right here. This right here proves you can do anything. You put your mind to it. There's my man. Here's the actual Super Bowl trophy. That is this the one that they give out? Like, what is it? Do they give out the same one every year?
That's my favorite one.
Pretty jewelry. This one?
Not a real one, that's a replica. I'll just put that up front, but that's the Green Bay Packers. That's the very first
Oh, really?
ring.
That's really. West Virginia. Going in the tunnel. It's super spooky. We're making it to the end of the light of the tunnel.
This is so weird looking.
Yeah. Hey, welcome to Virginia. Thanks, Virginia. We'll be in you for a little bit. Finally back in the good old NC. It's too bad we still have over 2 hours. We out here at IHOP. Just trying to go home. I had pictures like that. I got my milk. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this long vlog up. It's probably long, and I apologize if you sat through and found it boring, but it's something I wanted to record because I don't think we'll ever do it again, so I thought that was interesting. This current day, I never wrapped the vlog last night. We got home and I just wanted to pass out, but today, I don't know, today I just want to reflect. Yesterday I met a man named Oscar who is a car salesman and just his outlook on life really impacted the way I feel about life. He was the happiest man I ever met. He had gone through cancer where they found a 23-pound tumor, I think, on his kidney. And just he was able to survive and battle back through that. And it just made me realize how important just friends, family, and happiness is. And so that was just a big impact that this adventure had on me. But I hope you guys came along with, and I hope you enjoyed it. And I'll see you in the next video.